clear.
Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Let's do it. Yeah, front row is the way to go in this. You don't want to see this forward.
Whoa!
Whoa, look at that.
Whoa!
That's why you want to go first then.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh. Glad when it's over. Right?
I was
Everyone else
intense.
would be longer. That was intense.